Looking to unleash your inner DIY guru? Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to the freedom of cordless drills. Whether you're battling stubborn screws or embarking on a grand renovation, the best cordless drills are your trusty sidekicks. Packed with power and convenience, these tools let you drill with the precision of a pro and none of the hassle. Join us as we dive into the top contenders that will make you wonder how you ever lived without them. Cords, who needs them? Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. CRAFTSMAN V20, our pick for best budget cordless drill. If you're on the hunt for a cordless drill that won't break the bank but can still handle the handiwork of light to medium projects, the CRAFTSMAN's 18-volt cordless drill might just tickle your fancy. It's like the friendly neighbor who shows up to help. Competent, reliable, and pleasantly affordable. Now, don't let its humble price fool you. While it might not boast the blinding speed or raw power of its pricier counterparts, this little dynamo gets the job done. Expect it to zip through smaller fasteners like a pro and tackle those hefty 2.5-inch screws in stacked 2x6s with surprising finesse. Sure, when it comes to drilling with a 1-inch paddle bit, it might take a tad longer than the flashy brushless models, but this drill still delivers the goods, albeit at a more leisurely pace. Speaking of size, this drill isn't exactly a pocket-sized powerhouse. You'll notice its somewhat extended head, measuring in at a robust 8.25 inches long, almost 2 inches longer than some of its rivals. And let's not forget it weighs in at a hearty 3.5 pounds, so you might want to hit the gym before making it your go-to tool. In short, if you're seeking dependable performance without the hefty price tag, the CRAFTSMAN cordless drill is ready to be your new best friend in DIY adventures. Number 4. DEWALT DCD701F2 XTREME, our pick for best lightweight cordless drill. If you're on the prowl for a drill that won't turn your arms into spaghetti, meet the DEWALT DCD701F2 12V Max, your new lightweight sidekick. Weighing in at just 2.39 pounds, it's like the superhero of drills, here to swoop in and save your wrist from the tyranny of heavy tools. Don't be fooled by its compact size. This little dynamo is a heavyweight contender in the DIY ring. It effortlessly punched through 34 1 1/4 inch holes, only 20 shy of its beefier 18-volt and 20-volt cousins. And the screw driving? Oh, you better believe it. A staggering 204 screws, yes, you heard that right, surrendered to its might. That's enough firepower to turn your creative visions into brick-and-mortar realities. And let's talk about comfort. With ergonomics that make you feel like you're cradling a feather instead of a tool, you might just find yourself drilling holes for fun. The ergonomic grip means you can work away in the kitchen, garage, or wherever your crafty heart desires without feeling like you've lifted a truck afterwards. So why struggle with bulky equipment when you can wield the DEWALT 12V? It's the ultimate blend of power and convenience, ready to tackle your next big project and ensure you do it all with style and ease. Time to unleash your inner DIY warrior. Still searching for the perfect cordless drill? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. DEWALT DCD800E2 20V Max XR, our pick for best cordless hammer drill. If you're tired of half-hearted attempts at your DIY projects, the DEWALT DCD800E2 20V Max XR cordless hammer drill is here to rescue you. This isn't just another tool. It's your new best friend in all things construction, ready to help you tackle those challenging tasks with up to 40% more UWO than its predecessor, the DCD791B. Just be sure to grab the DCBP034 DEWALT Power Stack battery. Sold separately, you wouldn't want your newfound power to run out mid-drill. No more contorting your body into impossible shapes to reach that stubborn corner. With a sleek 6.37-inch size, half an inch shorter than the competition, this drill lets you sneak into tight spots like a pro. Is it more compact? Absolutely. Does it mean you'll still have bite? You bet. And let's not forget about the high bit retention thanks to the half-inch metal ratcheting chuck. Your drill bits will cling to this beauty like your toddler to their favorite toy. With pro-level speed and control at your fingertips, you can easily toggle between the high-speed transmission with a variable trigger and 2 speed settings. Whether you're drilling for fun or in a frenzy to complete that project before your in-laws arrive, the DEWALT DCD800E2 is designed to make you feel like the DIY superstar you were born to be. Get ready to build and impress. Number 2, Makita XT269M, our pick for best heavy-duty cordless drill. If you're tired of your drill giving out mid-project or feeling like you're wrestling with a heavy brick, it's time to meet the Makita XT269M, your new trusty sidekick in tackling DIY masterpieces. This isn't just any drill. It's a heavy-duty dynamo boasting an efficient BL brushless motor that squeezes out up to 50% longer run times per charge, giving you more time to channel your inner craftsman before coffee breaks. Say goodbye to pesky carbon brushes because this beauty runs cooler and smarter, adjusting torque and RPM based on your project's demands. You'll be flexing 530 inch-pounds of max torque with the half-inch hammer driver drill, and at a featherlight 4.2 pounds with battery, it'll feel like an extension of your arm rather than a weightlifting session. But wait, there's more. The variable speed impact driver cranks up to 3,400 RPM, dishing out 1,500 inch-pounds of torque while you glide through whatever task lies ahead. Weighing in at only 3.3 pounds with the battery, this little powerhouse is all about efficiency. Whether you're tightening screws or breaking ground on your latest project, this drill has your back. Get ready to elevate your DIY game with Makita. It's time to build, fix, or just unleash your creativity. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Bosch PS31 2A, our pick for best cordless drill overall. If you're on the hunt for a drill that packs a punch without weighing you down, then the Bosch drill is your new best friend. This little powerhouse takes DIY projects to the next level, proving that sometimes good things come in small packages. You'll discover it's not just another tool in your kit, it's the secret weapon for tackling any home improvement challenge. With its impressive versatility, this drill outshines the competition, scoring highest in performance and second in maneuverability. Whether you're driving screws or drilling into tough materials, the 2 speed settings and precise torque adjustments let you master every task with finesse. Sure, it may be a bit pricier than your average drill, but trust us, you're investing in quality that won't quit on you. The kit comes with a soft carrying case and 2 2-ampere-hour batteries. Because who has time to be searching for power mid-project? Say goodbye to those frustrating moments of running out of juice. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just looking to hang a shelf, the Bosch drill is designed to be your loyal sidekick. With its sturdy construction and sleek design, you'll wield it like a pro in no time. Don't settle for flimsy drills that leave you hanging. Choose Bosch for a tool that's built to last and make every project feel like a walk in the park. Get ready to take your DIY game to new heights. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best cordless drills. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which cordless drill you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.